just learn Python. If you are new to Python, you want to start a new journey in Python, you might be having the question, what are the possible paths available to you? Correct? So I have listed down 4 paths here. One is data science and machine learning. Then you can get into web development or DevOps domain or desktop application. You can build your own desktop application by using Python. So if you want to get into data science, you might have to learn some basic libraries like Pandas, NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and many more. When it comes to machine learning, and altogether a different set of libraries you have to go through. When it comes to, if you want to get into web development, there are 2 possibilities. There are front end and back end. So when it comes to front end, you have to learn HTML, CSS, vanilla JavaScript if you don't want to use JavaScript libraries, or you can use Angular, Express, Ember, etc. These are the JavaScript frameworks. At the back end, you have 2 things. One is you can use frameworks. One of the frameworks you can use Django, Flask, Pyramid, and many more are there. These are the 3 popular frameworks in Python. Then there are multiple options for you to learn backend database like PostgreSQL, MongoDB, which is a non-SQL database, then SQLite 3, which comes by default when you install Python, then MySQL, Oracle, etc. There are many more options available to you. So this is when it comes to web development. You might have to choose this technical stack. Then when it comes to DevOps, you can get into CI/CD, network automation, and test automation. Your role may be including all these 3, or it can be separate. So when it comes to test automation, either it can be a web automation by using Selenium. You have to learn Selenium for that. Then if it is a mobile automation, then you have to learn Appium, or you want to build your own test framework. For that you have to learn some modules and packages which are related to your domain. You can also become a desktop application engineer. So when it comes to desktop application building, there are 3 possibilities. One is you can build CLI applications, maybe it for IoT or something related to, you want to build a standalone CLI applications. Then you have graphical user interface applications. Then you can build games in Python if that is the area of your interest. In CLI, if you want to build CLI, you have to learn some basic modules and packages. For example, you may have to learn OS module, sys module, JSON, XML, requests, and many more. Based on the need basis, you have to learn other modules and packages. If you want to build GUI applications, then we have to learn one of these libraries, Kiwi or PyQt, Kinter, WXPython, PyGUI, or PySide. Then you can develop games in Python by using libraries like Pygame, PyOpenGL, PyGillette, Ellipsis 3D, Kiwi, etc. There are many more options, but these are the popular ones. Python basically not meant for building large scale games, but you can still build games in Python if that is your area of interest. So my suggestion to you is pick up one path, either data science or web development or DevOps or desktop, whichever interests you most. Stick to that and learn topics and libraries which are related to that and become a master in that. Build your skills and become an expert in that, rather than learning everything. All you have to do is first learn basics of Python and then relate topics related to, libraries related to your path. That's how it has to be, rather than learning everything. And if you try to learn everything, you can learn, but again it's a daunting task because Python is very vast. So my advice to you is pick one path and stick to that. I hope this has given you some clarity on what path you want to take. If this video is helped you or it is useful to you, give a like, share it with your friends. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel so that you will get new videos. And also don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will get the notification wherever there is a new video is uploaded. If you want to learn about any other topic in Python, or in general any other topic, or if you have any other comments, please drop it in the comment section. I will try to get back to you. Thank you for watching.